Hello everyone, I'm Bob Chapman with AkzoNobel, and today I want to introduce a new Sikkens clear coat called Express Clear. Now this is a national rule clear coat with state-of-the-art hypercure resin technology for fast air-dry repairs. It has a very simple mixing ratio of 5:1:1. It has one hardener and reducer selections anywhere from 60 to 90 plus degrees depending upon the temperature in which you are spraying. Now the hardener and reducers come in two different sizes. They can come in gallons or come in quarts. Here are the part numbers. Express Clear does not require a flex additive, and it's 1.5 coats back to back with no flash time. It's out of dust in as little as 10 minutes and dry to polish in 50 minutes. So contact your local Sikkens distributor for more information. And as always, thanks for watching and thank you for choosing AkzoNobel.